our Vidyakunj Career Academy. In this session, we are going to see here squaring base 10. We are going to take here base 10, in which we are going to do squaring of 11 to 29 number. In this number, you have to see here 20 is the base. Yes or no? 20 is the base. Here 2 tens. How many tens? 2 tens. So 2 into 10. Based on this, we are going to solve here. Okay? We are going to do here squaring. Okay? Now see, 21 number, in which unit place number is 2. Sorry, 1. Then we have to write here 21 plus 1. Yes or no? What is our answer? 22. 22 is our answer. Okay. Now next, here unit place number is 1. So I will do here 1 square. What is 1 square? You know what is 1 square? 1 square answer will be 1. Now in this case, see here, we have taken base as 10, in which how many tens here? See here, 21, 22, 23. How many tens here? 2 tens. On this base we are going to do here. Okay. Now here 22. Yes or no? We have taken here base 10, so we have to put 1 0. Yes, I will write here 22 with 1 0, and here we are going to multiply by 2. Why? Why? Because we have taken base as 10. Here in this number, how many tens? 2 tens. So that I will write here 2. Multiply this one. Okay. Then I have to plus here whatever is number, unit place square. Okay. Then we will do here. Here 2 2s are 4. 0 as it is. 2 2s are 4. What is here answer? 440. 440 plus 1 will be here 4. I will write here 440 plus 1 is equal to 441. It is our answer. 441. It is the square of 21. Square of 21. In this way, we are going to solve here. Okay. See. Now, what I will do here? Just I will write here number. Okay, this one. What we have to do here? 22 plus 22 plus 2. What will be answer? 24. Okay. 23 plus 3. 26. 24 plus 4. 28. 24 plus 5. 25 plus 5. Unit place number we are going to add. I will not do in this like this. Okay. Here will be 30. Yes or no? 26 plus 6. Here will be 32. Here unit place number 7. 27 plus 7. Here will be 34. Understood here? I have written this number directly here. You understood, I hope. Okay. Unit place number we have to take here. Unit place number 2 square. Here 3 square. Here 4 square. Here 5 square. Here 6 square. And here 7 square. Okay. You know answer? Yes. 4 square. 2 square 4. 3 square 9. 4 square 16. 5 square 25. You have to by heart 1 to 10 squares. Learn it. Okay. 36 and here 49. Further what we have to do? Further we have to do this process. This one number we have to multiply by 2 by putting 0. Why we have to take here 0? Because we considered here 10, base as 10. So I will write 24 0 into 2. Why we have written here 2? Because in this number how many tens? 2 tens. Plus this square. Okay. Now here here 26 0 into 2, here unit place number is 3, sorry, here unit place number 3 square will be 9. Okay, here 28 0 into 2 plus unit place number is 4 and 4 square is 16. Here also 30 0 into 2 plus unit place number 5 square is 25. Okay, here 32 0 and into 2 plus here 6 is unit place number 6 square will be 36. Okay, here 34 0 into 2 plus 7 square will be 49. Yes, understood this much. Now further we have to do here sum. Here 2 into 24 we have to do 0 as it is. Now here 2 into 4 8 and here 4 plus 4 we have to do. Here 0 2 0 2 zeros are 0 and 12 1 carry and 4 5 here plus 9. Okay, here 0 2 8s are 16 1 4 plus 5 here 16. Now see here this will be 6 and plus 25. 2 zeros are 0, 2 4s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6 plus 36. Yes or no? Now here 0, 2 4s are 8 and 6 plus 49. Okay, we have done this much. Now we have to do here actual square. We have to do here addition. Yes or no? 4 zeros, 4 plus 0 4 only, and here 8 4. This is square of 22. Now here 9 as it is into 5, it is its square. Here 6 plus 1 7 and 5, this is its square. Now here 5 2 6, it is its square. Now 6 7 and 6, it is its square. Now here 9 12 1 carry, it means 7. These are these numbers square. Here it means you have to understand here these are the square. These are the squares of 21 to 27. Yes or no? Yes. 21 square will be 441. 22 square will be 484. 23 square will be 529. 24 square will be 576. 25 square will be 625. 26 square will be 676. And 27 square will be 729. Yes or no? Now, here we have to know two more numbers which are 28 and 29. In this number, see, unit place number is 28. Then 28 plus 8, what will be here? 16, here 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? 8 plus 8, 16, here 6, 1 carry 3, 36, 29. In this number, 9 plus 9, 29 plus 9 we have to do. Here also 28 plus 8 we have done here. Okay. Now 9 plus 9, 18, 1 carry. Here 38. Okay. Now for the step we have to do. Unit place number is here 8. 8 square. Here 9 square. Okay. What will be here? 64 and here 81. Yes or no? Yes. Now next what we have to do? Here we have to multiply 360 into 2 plus we have to do here 64. First of all we have to solve this one. Here also 380 into 2 plus 81. Yes, we have to do this one. Now we have to do something. Here will be 2 zeros are 0, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, here 6 and plus 7. 6 plus 1. Okay. Here we have done this one. It means 720. We have to add this one. Here 4 0 4 only. Here 2 plus 6. Here 8. 7 as it is. It is its answer. This part. Okay. Now here 2 zeros are 0. 2 8s are 16. 1 carry. 2 3s are 6 plus 7. Okay. Now here we have to do 81 addition. Yes or no? 0 plus 1, 1 only. 8 plus 6, 14. Carry. And here 8 as it is. This is 8 square. Okay. 30 square you know. Yes or no? 30 square. 3 3s are 9. So here how many? 0? 1 0. We have to put here 2 0. This is its square. 30 square 900. I hope you understood how to do square by using base method. By using base method and formula. If you have any query regarding this, put your query below my video. I will help you. Thank you.